Welcome back to the GFit Fitness Minute. Today we're going to learn how to do a dynamic plank. Some folks call it an up, down, down plank. Some call it elbow to push-up position plank. Whatever it is you like to call it, we're going to learn how to do it today. It's a very advanced exercise. It requires a lot of upper body strength and a lot of core strength. But I want to make sure that if you try it, you're performing it correctly. The main mistake I see when people are executing this exercise is that their arms are extended over their head a little too much. So I'm going to show you how to prevent that. If you take a towel or a mat, something with a very distinct edge like you see here, and if you line your shoulders over that edge, it's kind of hard to go wrong. So we're going to get into position. Now, with any sort of plank or push-up, the wider your feet are, the easier it's going to be. You start bringing them in, it's going to get a little bit more demanding. So we'll start with the feet wide in a nice tight plank position. Your shoulders are pulled back and down, and the heel of your hand is on the edge of your surface here. So your shoulders should be over the heel of your hand. Then when you drop to your elbow should be on the edge of your surface. When you come back up, the heel of your hand is on the edge. And don't forget to alternate sides. Now, what I see most people doing incorrectly, and it kind of makes me a little bit nauseous, and I want you to protect your shoulders, is that they start in the elbow position, which is fine, their elbows are under their shoulders, but then they just sort of roll up on their hands and roll down. Roll up, roll down. So I don't want you to do that. That's why I introduced the edge here. It's almost impossible to go wrong. If you walk your hand back to the edge, down, down, back to the edge, down, down, you're going to do it correct. Remember, as always, tight hamstrings, tight booty, tight belly, shoulders back and down, and you have nailed your up, down, down plank. Now, remember, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Find the little GFit logo in the corner down there, and you can subscribe. Any questions, comments, or concerns, suggestions for future videos, hit me up in the comment box below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, GFit Fitness Studio, or Facebook, GFit Fitness Studio. All right, until next week, take care.